Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another interesting tutorial. As you all know, we are making this footwear that you're seeing on your screen. The sole used is running sole, locally called single sole. Let's look forward to the pattern cutting. The breadth is 3.5 inch while the length is 11 inch, the way you are seeing it on your screen. We have to measure the logo. That's the first attempt after getting our cover pattern done. So we have to fold it into two. Fold it to 2 equal parts. After that, we have to make use of our tape rule and find the half of the breadth, which is half of 3.5 inch, which gives us what? 1 3/4. 1 3/4. Then join it together. Once we are done joining it together, from the tip of your folding, you have to measure 1 inch. You can see the way it was done. 1 inch, then give it a straight line. Don't forget, when we measure our logo, our measurement there is 1.5 inch. So the 1.5 inch, you have to split it into 2. It's going to give us 3/4. That's how we get where we fix our logo. 3/4 down, 3/4 up. I hope I'm making sense. I hope you are getting it. That's actually how I get it. With the line that I'm drawing now, I don't use any measurement. I just sketch it out. And after getting this, just draw. You have seen the picture of what we are doing. So of course, we are drawing it. We are sketching it. As we all know, we are sketching it from the upper part to the down part. That to give it a curve. If you have French curve, you can make use of it. I just decided to make it raw and measurement. That's just what I'm doing. I mean raw and sketching. You get me? You can see. Look at the way it's looking, as in it's giving 100/100. So then after that, we have a straight line. So the measurement for that, from the line we have to measure 1/2 inch, from the other side as well 1/2 inch. So joining together is going to give you 1 inch. Now straight what you have fold, and do it the same way it was done to the other side. The way it was done to the wall, to the other side. That's just what we are doing. I hope you love it. You will love it. And I promise you won't regret watching my channel, because I will be uploading, I will be dropping it with need the most. You can see the way it was done. You can actually try yours at home. It's very simple. This is DIY, do it yourself. Do it yourself. So you can see the thing now, but I didn't like it the way it looked, so I have to decrease it a little bit by 1 bar. You can see it has been decreased by 1 bar. It is going to be a bit unique. I don't want it to be too wide. You can see the difference. So here is the final decision. The conclusion on getting of our pattern. Now we have to split it after getting our main form. But how are we going to split it? We're going to split it by perforating a hole to the line, the circle, and extend the perforating to the line, so that when you want to duplicate it, now I want to perform the magic, it's going to be easy for me to perform. You can see I'm almost done my pattern. Although this video is going to come in parts, and I promise you won't regret. Just turn on the notification button so you can be notified. You can see I'm just what I've perforated, I'm just removing the excess. You can see. Now find a clean cardboard. Just do it this way. can see this way. The line is very easy to find, or let me see, it's very easy to get. So what I just have to be careful of is circle. That's why I actually extend it a little bit to the what, to the line rather. So let's join it together, to the other side as well. Join it together with a straight line, a massive line. Now we are to perform the miracle, the magic. So we are getting the circle, right? So we are just going to be tracing it. End up wasting much of our time. And say our own is just to trace. Just trace the line, and you will get it. You will love it. You will love it. So let's see the way it was done. You to just film it. Film the work. You love it, right? I know you love it. Just tell me in the comment section that you love it. And here is the end of our pattern cutting. Look forward to the next part, where we are going to teach you how to get the leather, name of materials, your insole, your sole. And stay tuned, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified anytime we drop a video. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share the video.